Hey yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy JOHABRAHAM. We are back finally. Finally? This guy's back? Yeah. We back, son. We back, daughter. We back, human. We back, buck, 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 buck. I also found out the way to get my chat, like the stream chat on my. Is it working? I need to check if it's working. Yeah, I found a way to get my stream chat on my tablet. Oh, there we go. Let me see if I could. Let me see if this is the same link or is it a new one. Switch account. I don't need this account. Oh yeah. No, wait, is it muted? No. Okay. Yo, is the chat even working? Dalmatians, yo, okay, the chat is working. That's good. I was about to check if the chat was working. That's good. Wait, you have cold? Yup, unfortunately, I have a stupid common cold. That was the reason why I couldn't stream yesterday. Why, Lord? Why me? Why am I getting all these shit? Yo, man, hope you get better. I appreciate that, though. I appreciate that. Yeah, this is the last week before my classes start, and somehow the virus was like, yo, let's ruin the last week for this guy. Boom. I was writing an essay about sleep. Wow, interesting. And while I was researching, okay, you have my attention. If you don't get enough sleep, yeah, you are prone to diseases. Is that how it works? I mean, from what I heard, sleep is like one of the most important things you should get. So I kind of agree on that. Not dry. I thought it was some job opportunities. So what did you find what did you find as part of your research on sleep? Ugh, fuck. I'm gonna use my headphones. Yo, my head looks like a. Is it cause? Maybe that makes a difference. Maybe. Ugh. Dalmatians, did you just forget? Or are you still writing? So maybe it's that. Oh, you can be more prone to viruses than usual. Okay. Why is the chat showing up as different? Yup, that makes sense. Prone to more viruses. How is my sleep? For the past, yeah, my sleep for the past week was also not good. Maybe that's also a big reason. Mm-hmm. Yep. I need to get my sleep schedule under control. So, I remember separating separating the three: insoluble, aqueous, and organic phase. How is your new video going for the YouTube channel? Based on, I from what I remember, it was something related to your birth, right? How's that going? Precipitation of the water soluble compound from aqueous phase. You prepare a highly concentrated potassium carbonate solution. Oh yeah, yeah. Saturated, almost saturated, highly concentrated solution containing 3 grams of potassium carbonate. Note the exact mass. So 3 grams of potassium carbonate into where? This 100 grams of water or 100 milliliters of water? The solution is added to an aqueous phase. The total volume of the solution is noted. You are not mentioning how much should I add. Come on. Whoa, the watch is turned off. God damn it! I did not realize the watch was turned off. How do you realize those stuff? What? Uh-huh. The total volume of the solution is noted. The precipitate is collected, washed with small amount of cold water, and dried in the desiccator. The precipitate is collected, washed with small amount of cold water, and dried in the desiccator. The dried precipitate is weighed on the balance and identified by appropriate methods. How did you precipitate? How did you separate the precipitate? Is it through precipitation, or I forgot the other one? There's another one with desiccation. Um. And what? Wondering of the methods for Separating the precipitate. Jason. Another one I remember was something called desiccation? Something where you pour based on your description, you are thinking of two distinct concepts in chemistry lab work. One is physical separation technique, and the other one is preserving a sample. Decantation. Yep, that was the name I was looking for. Decantation. Fuck! Don't call me now. How it works: you allow the solids to settle via sedimentation, then you carefully tilt the container and pour off the top layer of the liquid into another vessel, leaving the solid behind. When to use it? There's a quick and dirty method where it works best when the precipitate is dense and large grained, so it doesn't get this. Okay, decantation. That was the one I was looking for. I still don't. I understood of preparing the solution of what? 3 grams of potassium permanganate, carbonate, potassium K, CO3. But I didn't get how much of water, deionized water, should I add to get the said amount, to get the saturated solution that I would be adding to the aqueous solution. For this step, the exact volume of water isn't specified in your instruction. Oh, okay, so you dissolve until the solid is not there. Huh? Well, don't turn off, bro. What can I do to not turn you off? Auto lock never. So I'm guessing. Did you get a job yet? No. I don't know what's wrong with the job industry. Is it because am I being too honest with these people? Because when I apply for like normal jobs, like I don't know, kitchen work, I say I don't have prior experience, and they're like, "Oh, if you don't have prior experience, don't even think about it." Bro, it's a kitchen job. I can learn. It's not like I never been inside a kitchen. I don't know, if am I is my honesty sounding like cockiness? I don't know. But yeah, nope. I still haven't found a job yet. What? So what was I guess? So I'm guessing these KaCO3 is solid and dilute until or add water until this is fully gone or dissolved. I don't know. Yeah, me too. I don't know. Mine is ostrich and goldfish. Whoa. There's no context in what you just said right now. What? Mine is ostrich and goldfish. What? What did I say that made you respond? Ostrich. Oh, what? What's your favorite animal? Okay. Oh, I was like, what? What did I say to make you? Okay. Like, what is your favorite animal? Animal that lives right now, that is existing, or animal from the past, like the ones dead, because that makes a big difference. I think YouTube blocked it. Oh, interesting. Because right now, I'm viewing the chat using my tablet. And I don't know. Yeah, about the animal, would you say the animal in present or whole history of planet Earth? That's basically concentrated or saturated. Almost saturated, highly concentrated solution. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Favorite animal, then it should be one of those lizards, one of those dinosaurs. Yeah, the first one that comes to my mind is Tyrannosaurus Rex. But if we are going present, I would go for tiger or something. Yeah, tiger. Tiger is pretty cool. Am I missing something? Tiger. Lion, I'm not a big fan of lion. I mean, lions are pretty cool, but tigers are much cooler. Sharks are pretty cool. Or ochres. A lot of stuff's coming to my mind. The question should be more niche. Favorite favorite big animal or favorite herbivore or favorite carnivore. That makes the question more interesting, I guess. So add the concentrated potassium carbonate into aqueous phase, and what is gonna happen? So I'm guessing after adding this and measuring the mass or the volume, mass or volume of the solution. I'm guessing. So what does the aqueous have? Aqueous solution is having uh, polar, right? Polar compounds. The uh, potassium or potassium carbonate is gonna. I'm studying math right now. Interesting. Which part of math? Guessing after adding the carbonate, it's gonna react with the polar compound that is dissolved in the aqueous solution and precipitate at the bottom as a salt, as a insoluble salt. Potassium carbonate, that's it's carbonate. Carbonate. Interesting. Does it increase the pH or Ugh. Yesterday I got blood from my nose. Today there's no blood. What happened? Did the blood vessel repair itself? Water salt. So this caused the compound to come out of solution as a solid precipitate. Then the solid settles at the bottom, can be collected by filtration. What are we? Are we talking vacuum filtration? It's not mentioned here. So stupid. Three components of a mixture are from the following list: insoluble compound, 25% weight, 25 weight% manganese dioxide, silicon dioxide. Wait, you got all these stuff as insoluble? So it's not a three-component mixture. Water soluble compound 37.5 weight% calcium nitrate tetrahydrate, magnesium chloride hex. Oh, it's either one of these. It's either one of these. Organic compound, benzoic acid, salicylic acid, orthomethyl benzoic acid, Meta-methylbenzoic acid, para-methoxybenzoic acid, para-methylbenzoic acid. Interesting. Dalmatians, which part of math are you studying? Like algebra, statistics, what else? Probability. Mm, variables. Yeah, variables are math. I think variables belong to algebra. What else? What else is there in math? And like what? Oh, unit circle. I'm guessing area, circumference type sheet. What is unit circle? Or not gonna lie, the YouTube is not doing that good. Unit circle, graph of cosine and tan. Uh-huh. Not gonna lie, I don't know that much. Graphs of cosine, con, sine, and tan. Okay, let's take it slow. Cosine, sine, these are triangles, right? Based on triangles and angle. I mean cos. Yeah, yeah. So those are based on triangles. Now, unit circles, so that's different, right? Or I mean, you could still use the same logic, like the angle. I'm guessing it's like cos 360, sine 360, tan 360. Is that what it is? Because that's the angle for a circle, 360. I might be yapping too much. Interesting. Did you get what you were looking for? Unit circle chart. Okay. Oh, this thing. Okay. Oh, they're just angles. Angles based on all the four quadrants. I'm guessing this is the one you were talking about. So if I understand correctly, we start from here. Oh, we start from here. 30, pi by 6. What is this though? So coordinates inside the circle. I'm guessing, yeah, inside the circle. Okay. If the length of the bottom part of the triangle is having length of 1, then the height of the triangle would be root 3 by 2 if it's based on this one, and the distance of that point of the triangle from the y-axis would be 1 by 2. What? That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. Wait. Mm-hmm. X x coordinate, y coordinate. That's correct. Mm-hmm. How is the y coordinate? Oh, here. Wait. Wait. Which is gonna have a higher value? Root 3 by 2 or 1 by 2? I'm guessing root 3 by 2, right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look in Discord. Oh, I forgot that app existed. Sorry, Discord. So, yep. That's gonna be. Yeah, this length is 3 by 2, and height would be 1 by 2. The hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? You have to find it. Wait, we got new members, Hillary Mountains? I can change the font on my computer now. Anyone wondering what this font is? It's Allegard. It's like the old British. Dude, you changed the font and everything. Yeah. Even the chat GPT is so oh. Mm-hmm. Interesting. I never thought you could change the. I mean, that makes sense that you can change it, but that should be in the settings, right? To change the font. I want to change the fonts, but nothing. I could stay with this because when you open PDFs and stuff like those, I don't think PDFs change the font, right? Or the font won't change according to PDFs. So it's gonna look a bit weird. I don't know. Okay, so that was basically it. All the I forgot what it's called. Pi by 2, pi by 3. There's a name for that. It's the angles represented in the pi form. I forgot, but okay, I've seen this before. Called Winero Tweaker for the actual PC, and for the websites there's an extension. Uh it's using an app. Okay, I thought it was you can change it from settings. Should be font size, text font. Yeah, text font. Yeah, we got some. There are a lot of options, but I'm not gonna change it right now. For the website, there's an extension. It's on Microsoft Edge plus Firefox, and you can put the name of the font you want, refers to page, and there you go. It doesn't work 100%, but it's all you can do. I never thought about changing the font all around the computer, but that's cool. That is really cool. Where is it? Oh. But the font you chose looks pretty cool. It reminds me of back in the day, England, kingdoms. So, So are we separating the what? The PPT using vacuum vacuum filtration, suction filtration. Okay, is it mentioned anywhere? I don't think so. Okay, we're going to section 2 right after that. Let me check. There's one more folder. Hints for oh, okay, there we go. Section 2. Section 1. Most common separation methods: filtration, drying, recrystallization, absorption, adsorption, the binding of molecules, physiosorption via van der Waals interaction, okay, whatever. Extraction and separation of certain fraction of solid liquid mixture. What are we talking about? So solid liquid extraction is the first part where we separate the insoluble compound. Liquid extraction for aqueous and organic. This is the distillation, or preparate the section 2. Wait. We got this. What do you mean 2 point separatory of ternary mixture? Most common separation. Case of chemisorption, the adsorbate is bound to the surfactant with true chemicals. The most common absorbents are activated carbon, silica gel. Wait. Whoa. You posted something on what's it called? Interesting. Not gonna lie, the font looks fresh. Yo, bro. Hey, yo, what's up? What's up? I sent my wallpaper on Discord. I just saw it. Reminds me of, I don't know, Hobbit? That's the first thing that came to my mind. Fuck's sake. Why are you so slow, dog? Why are you so slow, dog? Oh, I forgot to link it. Oh, I forgot to link my stream. Apologies, people. But extraction is the separation of. Why would you make this more complicated? Why couldn't you just tell me which exact method are we using to separate the insoluble? And I do not trust ChatGPT on this shit because I know it's a stupid little chatbot. Where's my stress ball? It was somewhere here. There we go. ARL from somewhere. Hey yo, what's up? What's good? How you doing? It's been a I would say it's been a while, but yeah. How are exams? These are exam time from what I understand. I had my science exam today. Oh shit, how was it? Let's go. Would you say it was hard or what did you get? Yeah. Would you say it was hard? Easy? Ein Limbo? Sehr spannend, sehr grobi. It went well. That's good. Were you able to answer all the questions or yes, all the questions. That's good. It feels different when you know you answer to all the questions. So which is the next exam though? Look at the separation funnel. Separation funnel. Okay, so extraction is separate. Why is solid liquid extraction not mentioned? Extraction in the certain fraction of a solid or liquid mixture with suitable solvents. There should be no chemical reaction between solvent and the solid substance. There are two kinds of extraction. Should no, don't give me Japanese. Is that Japanese? I believe. Translate. Yeah, that's Japanese. Mein Favorit. Okay. I'm guessing that's. Did you meant that? It means I love my bird. That's not what I got as translation, but okay. Oh, it's in German. Okay, wait. Let me translate to English. My favorite. It's translated to my favorite, not I love my bird. You should look into your Japanese though. Well, I try to. Good. That's what's important. Participis, participation is important. On based of the GC lab course, and from here they started with explaining the liquid with the separating funnel. So I'm guessing the solid liquid extraction is using precipitation, or let me search up solid liquid mein Deutsch ist gehen besser. Es ist nicht sehr gut, aber nur gut. Oh, es ist ja. Du musst irgendwo anfangen. You should start somewhere. Du musst. Bruder, let me see. Where's my German? Yeah. It's good that you start from somewhere. Where? Somewhere. Es gilt, dass man irgendwo anfängt. Okay, I used irgendwo. I'm so glad that's there. Es stimmt schon, man muss ja irgendwo anfangen. That's what I meant. You take a solid mixture, add a solid. And are separated from the insoluble residue. Well, ARL from somewhere. Welche Prüfung hast du noch? Welches Subjekt ist die nächste Prüfung? It was inorganic and organic, and a big pain to do. Are you talking about the science exam? Okay. I mean, you should be having physics, everything, right? Physics, biology. Oh, for you, physics and biology is not that hard. I get it. Physics and biology are not that hard. Physical chemistry too. Mm-hmm. So it's a lot of organic and organic chemistry. What's the first thing it comes to my mind when I say organic chemistry? Not gonna lie, the first compound that comes to my mind is benzene. I don't know why, but benzene is organic, so it is a hydrocarbon. It's hydrocarbon chain. It has those double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. I forgot there was a name for it. I forgot the name. I'm on a Mac and I want to play a good open world game, bro. I guess Minecraft is one. I have been playing it since 3 years. Okay, open world game. Open world game on Mac. Oh fuck. Mm, all the other games I played, like Lies of P, those are Lies of P is not open world. It's like Soulsborne. Let's pull up Steam right now. I'm trying to learn Japanese to impress Japanese. Plus, I said I was fluent in Japanese when I won. So yeah, I mean, it's all good. You could still improve, right? Safari? Why do you want to open Safari? Impress my friends. Oh, okay. Yeah. As long as you look, or what's it called? What's the word? What's the word? Look into it every day. I forgot the word. What's the word for? Looking into every day. There was a word. But yeah, if you look into it every day, I guess it should statistically improve. No, I bought this. Oh no, I bought this game for 30. What happened? Why? What happened with Steam? €20? Dark Souls? Really? Which one? Dark Souls remastered. So it's the one. Uh, ain't got no money. Ain't got no money. Yeah, No Man's Sky. That's a open world game. ARO from somewhere. I would say that's an open world game. Pal World. It's pretty open world. Oh, but it's only for Windows. Sky, kinda open world. Is this open world? You could say Sleeping Dogs is open world. It's like GTA. So it could be. But I gotta say, it's an amazing game. When I get my job back, this is one of the first games I'm gonna play. It's the Windows, Near Automata Windows, Horizon Windows, Devil Windows, Far Cry Windows, Windows, Batman Windows, Assassin's Windows, Amnesia Windows. Yep. Not that many options, huh? You could. There is a workaround in playing Windows game on Mac. Uh, but it's pretty hard. You could download the Windows Steam onto Mac using, I don't know, translation layers. I used to do it, but then the free version of this translation layer stopped getting updates, and one day it just stopped working. But there is still workaround to get the oldest version that was working. I still haven't tried it. And my laptop is like the base variant. It has 8 gigs of RAM, so uh yeah, it's not very good when it comes to translation layers and stuff. It's gonna have a hard time. You start with mixture containing insoluble and soluble components. You add a tiny bit of insoluble compound does not dissolve and stays in the solid. Residues to separate the solid from the liquid phase use filtration, gravity, or vacuum. After filtration, the solid can be dried in the desiccator. Okay, filtration, I guess. But what is the filtration that we used? Where's my lab 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 book? Fuck, I hate this. Why do you keep on leaking? Fucking nose. So, filtration. Which filtration are we talking about? Section 3. So, we got vacuum filtration. That's recrystallization. We got vacuum filtration, sublimation, okay? So we're gonna use vacuum filtration 2 times for both insoluble and uh, aqueous. Okay. Okay, then from the looks of it, we are using vacuum filtration for for what? For both insoluble and the dissolved component in the aqueous solution. Ugh. You know what? I want to try something. Why am I wasting time? I know, but I just want to try this. Let me see if it works. So we got the phone up here. And we gonna add a video capture device. There we go. We got that working. Okay, I didn't mean that. Now, how do I change the percenters overlay to... That's faces. Okay, hey. Oh, OBS crashed? OBS crashed? OBS crashed? Yep, OBS crashed. That's not it. That's not it. Shit. No way. That was cool. What happened there? I did this thing once. Come on. Nope. 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 I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, obvious is not gonna show up, right? Yeah, obvious is not gonna show up. Let me test this. That did not work. Did I waste some time just looking at something if it works? Yep, I did. I was trying to change the camera, this camera, to my phone, but it did not work. After dissolving, so I have to use the vacuum filtration 2 times. I don't know, something ain't right. The solution is added to aqueous phase. The total volume of the solution is noted. The precipitate is collected, washed with small amount of cold water. Small amount of cold water. That's for vacuum filtration, most likely, and dried on the desiccator. The dried precipitate is weighed on a balance and identified for by appropriate methods. Precipitate of the organic compound. Precipitation of the organic compound. Organic phase is extracted 1 time with 30 milliliters of 4% aqueous NaO solution, and then 2 times with. Wait. I know this. It's extracted 1 time. The aqueous solution are combined with dropwise addition of concentrated seal. The precipitate is collected and washed with cold water. Again, this is also what's it called? Vacuum filtration. So wait. Wait. Separation of benzyl and copper to sulfate. I think it's section 4. Let me look at section 4 now. wait. 28. Compared to separating funnel, round bottom flask of course. Okay. And mix until benzyl mixture is completely dissolved into the separating funnel, just like multiple extractions. Separate organic and aqueous. 10 grams ethyl acetate. Wait, which is used here with 30 milliliters of 4% aqueous vanilla solution. For the aqueous solution are combined and carefully acidified. Okay, first we separate the aqueous before before precipitating the component in the aqueous. We separate the aqueous and organic by dropwise addition of concentrated HCl. The precipitate is collected, washed with cold water. Think about appropriate methods to identify your product. Is the first one like a test? I guess. Looks like a test. I don't know. So, from what understood, understood till here. Till here. We have to first fully separate the AQ and organic before the precipitation of the compounds in each of them. And also for the three mixtures, we are considering what? Vacuum filtration. Separate the I'm still confused on the insoluble residue. How do you separate the insoluble residue? It's the first. We have the separating funnel. We could close the separating funnel. I can't do that. I thought we could use the vacuum filtration straight onto the separating funnel, but there's no opening for the separating funnel to take the vacuum. Yeah, it's not possible. Or you have to make a new one. Yeah, it's not possible.
Because we're pretty.
Why is there so many ads right now on YouTube Music? Like, come on. Come on, bro. Stop doing that shit. African Egyptian. At first, when we add the insoluble PPT is gonna start forming at the bottom, which is separated using the vacuum filtration, and after that add the solution of AQ and organic into the separating funnel, then separate AQ and organic, then again do the necessary to separate to let the compound that should using the filtration and washing with cold water. Hey bro, I'm back. Hey yo, what's up? I'm guessing you were studying math. Oh. Yeah, how is your what's it called? The video going? Did you start working on it or now now at the end they were talking about the appropriate methods to identify your products. So in the case of insoluble PPT, they recommended using the pycnometer, sinometer. Because I was doing prayer. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Oh, it's Ramadan. I forgot. I mean, was the prayer related to Ramadan? I don't know. Psychometer. Psychometer. No, prayer is something we do 5 times a day, every day, no matter what. Oh, okay. It's the normal prayer. Okay. Interesting. Did we use any sort of before the desiccator? After opening the desiccator, we know the mass, but do we know? The insoluble compound does not dissolve in either phases and does collect the solid by vacuum filtration, wash if needed, then dry in the desiccator. This is your first product. Phase separation in the separating funnel. Pour the remaining mixture into a separating funnel. Yeah. Carefully separate. Oh, I really wish the separating funnel I could directly vacuum filtrate the aqueous organic mixture into the separating funnel and filtering the insoluble. But I don't think the separating funnel that we get is having that type of, because vacuum filtration you need a hole, right? Is there any way I could get rid of the vacuum flask? Eh? Then you don't need to pray. I'm guessing after the 5 times a day, right? So was this prayer you did just before, was that the last prayer for today? Yep, this is the normal vacuum filtration, yeah. And I wish I could put the separating funnel. This thing instead of this flask, but this flask needs this suction part. Only then the vacuum filtration works. They could have put a hole up here. They could have. Yo, hey bro, going good? OG follower coming in. The Ilu Ilu Oh bro. Illy Uteromaniac. Okay. OG follower? Bring it in, brother. Or sister, bring it in. OG follower, I mean it's the second prayer today. Okay, so you still got 3 more prayers. Okay, there's a link from YouTube. Let me pull that up. What did you link? You drink the Kool-Aid, bro. What's this gonna be? No, not the femboy cop. No one is resisting anyway. Did I just view this on my main channel? You know what's gonna happen? YouTube is gonna be like, oh, you like this, huh? We got you. But hey. Interesting. What? I'm just gonna call you maniac, bro. The first part is drink the Kool-Aid, bro. No. I do have some nasal, you know. This is better than Kool-Aid. You just go there. Tight, tight, tight. Drink the femboy Kool-Aid. Bro, not gonna lie. My YouTube channel is gonna, my YouTube account is gonna be like, oh, you like this, huh? Don't make me fall for traps. Important question. Have you that cop? That cop? Important question would be, have you ever drinked what what you do if they spank you? You know, it's my First Amendment right to stay. Called you daddy. You know what? I gotta say, I gotta go for my Fifth Amendment. I shall remain silent. But important question, maniac. Have you ever drunk the Kool-Aid formula? Have you though? I'ma eat maybe like. Oh, can you eat during Ramadan though? Like at this time? I don't know. Okay. I evoke the fifth. Yeah, I don't know the exact term. Okay, fifth. Wait, what is the? Right to remain silent. Yes. No double jeopardy. You cannot be tried or punished twice for the same crime. The government must follow legal rules for taking away the freedom. For serious crimes, a jury must decide. Okay, okay. Okay. Not gonna lie, oh, Maniac, you evoke the fifth. Interesting. That says a lot. That says a lot about the Kool-Aid formula, bro. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna let you slide though. So, I was thinking, what can I do? What can I do to implement the separating funnel and vacuum filtration? What? 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 I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste the mixture sticking to these parts. Instead, I wish I could burst straight into here. Why can't I do that? We got a test tube with the sidearm. Does that work? Test tube with the sidearm. Nope, that's not. No, that's not gonna work. Well, what does that do? Okay. You Litro Maniac. I'm just gonna call him Maniac. Well, do you remember what's the first time you interacted in this stream? Because don't take it in the wrong way. I don't remember your name that often. Following since 8 minutes ago. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay. I was like, oh. I'm guessing the maniac drank the Kool-Aid. Oh, nah, he's still here. I don't know. But I don't know. But I'm craving some ramen noodles. You're turning Japanese at this point. Nah, ramen noodles is not. It is Japanese, but just because you are having ramen noodles does not make you Japanese, right? Well, we lost a member to the fanboy Kool-Aid. No, not the new one, dog. YouTube, this is not me, YouTube. This is a maniac on my stream, YouTube. No, what that compilation, bro? How do you do this? Just a minute, I gotta. What type of project are you interested in? I got a reply. Interesting, interesting. Show it on stream. I could show it on stream. I mean, I don't care about these videos, but I'm scared if YouTube is gonna copy strike me. I don't know. And are these things good? Nah, bro, this is bullshit. How? Anyone got a shotgun? Bro, they don't give a shit. Okay. This is not me, okay? This is one of my viewers who wanna see, who wanna show you guys femboy compilations. No! How people, when they want, okay. Oh, this is the femboy Kool-Aid? It's the one? Oh, okay. That is really good. That's bloody lovely, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh no. The bunny. Okay.
Guys, look, keep.
No, not me though. Well, you know, the more you know about this world, the more interesting it gets, right? He's smiling like he unlocked a new kink. Hey, I'm a, I'm a, what's it called? Evoke my fifth. But hey, the more you know, the more you know about this world, the more interesting it gets. I'm gonna end it with that. Please, YouTube, no, don't recommend these shit to me, okay? No offense to people who follow this, okay? No offense to anyone who enjoy what they want. No offense to people who enjoy. But YouTube, please. What's this one? That's a good filter crucible. Okay. I can find a solution to this problem. Yeah. Oh, dominations. I did not see the comment. Chat. What's the most underrated object or thing ever? What's the most underrated thing? What's the most underrated thing? I don't know. Oh, I'm thinking in a lot of ways. Maybe it's philosophical or something that's real. I don't know. Um, It's taking more brain juice than I expected. What is the most underrated thing? Immune system? I'm legit. I'm legit. Wait. I'm legit. Is that the most underrated? Not gonna lie, the question kind of threw me off. I'm legit trying to get my video to have more views. Oh, okay. You could post it on the Cracky sub. I mean, my sub does not have anything, but still, you could maybe. There's no one in my sub, but hey, it's worth a shot, maybe. Um, hmm. I'm gonna say the most underrated thing is gonna be the sun. I don't know. That's what I feel like. If sun did not exist, there's just gone, bro. I don't know. Should I be glad that sun exists or? But we gotta believe there's a thing out there in the sky that that's what makes us alive. So I think sun is pretty cool. Mm. Oh, what is this? It's potassium? Maybe? Maybe potassium, I don't know. Precipitation of the water soluble compound to the aqueous phase is added saturated K2 CO3 solution to force precipitation. Collect the precipitate via vacuum filtration. Wash with cold water. Dry and weigh. Insoluble measure density using pipe sinometer or snowmeter. Water soluble identify via chemical test. Carbonate test flame. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh shit. Let me see. What did we do to extraction, recrystallization, redox reaction? Section 4. 15, page number 15. Okay, okay, before you tell me the test to know which or test to know which or what is in the AQ and organic, can you let me know? What type compounds would be dissolved in AQ and organic? I know AQ is gonna have polar and organic is gonna have non-polar, where AQ is involved with compounds with the more defined. Positive. Yeah, that's what polar, non-polar means. Okay. Mm-hmm. That's what polar, non-polar means. Right now I'm not in the mood to take the call. I'll call in a bit. Some polar and others non-polar. Come on. Because I would like to know why some, why each methods are different for the AQ and organic. Redox amphoterism of hydrogen peroxide, potassium iodine, hydrogen peroxide, reaction of potassium permanganate and hydrogen peroxide, preparation of oxygen. To know different ways to prepare oxygen, glow and splint test. Wait, to know different ways to prepare oxygen and has performed one glowing splint test. Autocatalytic reduction of permanganate. To know the concept of autocatalysis. To know the concept of autocatalysis. What autocatalysis is where the product formed is gonna boost the reaction, right? But what does it have to do with? Absolutely, let's break it down carefully so it makes sense. You're right, the separation depends on the polarity and determines which compound ends up in the aqueous and which in the organic. Water is polar, it has partial negative charges. Polar compounds dissolve well. I'm guessing metal compounds dissolve in water. Maybe? I don't know. Polar compounds dissolve well in polar solvents like dissolved slags. Typical compounds in the aqueous phase. Ionic compounds. Sodium. Sodium is metal. Sodium chloride, potassium carbonate. No. K2CO3? Wait. Potassium, bro. K. So Ka was something else, okay. Just what if? What if what? Dude, I miss bouldering, not gonna lie. I do miss bouldering, but when you don't have a job, you cannot pay for it. Uh, hmm. What if? What if join the stream? I'm guessing I or you joined the stream and said you could say a lot of stuff. Polar molecules with, again, carbon. Halogens. What was halogens? A 100 messages. That's cool. Can you do a shout out? I could do a shout out, but I don't have that much viewers, so I don't know if that's gonna help. But yeah, I mean, I could do a shout out if you want. Bro, this tube's blocking. Sorry for the confusion. Oh, interesting. I don't know why YouTube's blocking. Maybe try typing in single, like a full sentence. Like if the biggest YouTuber on earth joined the stream and said that, biggest YouTuber, who is the biggest YouTuber? PewDiePie? Or T-Series? T-Series, huh? And yeah, if a biggest YouTuber came and said that, you're gonna gain at least 500,000 subscribers minimum. If someone like PewDiePie or MrBeast came up. I'm guessing, I don't know. Maybe. But from what I heard, shout out is good to get subscribers, but in a lot of cases, when these big YouTubers shout out, a lot of people come up come up to the channel, but they don't know what to expect. They don't know what they're subscribing for. And yeah, from what I heard, it kind of puts in pressure to this channel who gets the shout out. But I don't know about that. I know I'm not someone who, but like he asked you. Wait, but like he asked you, Mr. Beast shout out to me? Are you saying that? Or Mr. Beast shouting out for you? Again, both cases, the part where people expecting too much or people don't know what the content is gonna have a hard time. MTBE, methyl tertiary butyl ether, is a nonpolar, slightly polar, mostly capable of dissolving nonpolar, neutral organic molecules with long hydrocarbon chains, compounds with low polarity, example aromatic compounds, esters, organic acids can also dissolve, but they are pulled into water by base extraction. What? Dalmatians, can you try once more to explain what you were trying to do? No, Not the maniac. What abomination is this time? No, no, bro. Yo, stop. You gotta stop, bro. You gotta stop. YouTube is not gonna like this. I evoke my fifth. You know the okay. I might say something stupid right now, but if you think about it, it does not actually matter what gender it is. It's as long as you can replicate almost how it looks, kind of passes, huh? If you think about it, it's not about actually what is the gender or anything. It's about how you represent. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. That's basically it. Why a different method for aqueous compounds? But I gotta say, where do you get this, bro? And how is YouTube allowing this? I thought YouTube was family friendly. No? I mean, I don't think there was anything legally bad, right? Or was there? No. Nope. Okay, there's nothing NSF. It's borderline NSFW. Neutral organic molecules with long hydrogens, compounds with low polarity, example aromatic compounds, esters. Why different methods for organic compounds or non-polar compounds don't react with extract them from organic phase into water using an AOH. If acidic, acidify the aqueous, extract the precipitate, the neutral organic compound. What did I just read? Extract them from organic non-polar compounds don't react much in water. Dalmatians, are you still here though? If you're still here, could you maybe try explaining what you were trying to explain? What you were trying to ask? Ask? No, bro. We can't do this all day. Are you is this your channel or something, bro? Interesting. Never mind. Earlier, it's just that I'm busy right now. I'm making a thumbnail. I did see a new thumbnail on your video, Dalmatians. It did have the color red. The color red is kinda, it catches the eye. Maniac. Bro, I tell you, okay? I did see it, bro. I did see that. It's just, you know, you can't complain, bro. You can't complain. Let people do whatever they want, right? Look at the last one too long. I'm experiment. Oh, you're experimenting the different thumbnails? Well, Maniac, I gotta say, we gotta let people do not. I mean, as long as they're not hurting someone. Look at the last one for 2 minutes. Why though? Nah, bro. Let me see the comments. Even the cars look better. Okay. Ah, interesting. I thought there were some jokes on the comments. No, it's just seems Sims all over. Only 2 minutes. What happened, bro? I did see it. It's like 6 seconds of thirst trap. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. Again, as long as people are happy, as long as the person doing this is not hurting anyone. The real question is, how did you find this though? Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. Huh? How, now tell me, what would you do if they call you daddy? Hmm. Interesting. Mhm. I'm not gonna be polarized. Like, I'm not gonna be, stay away. I'm not gonna do that, but you already admitted you fuck because it's not about the gender, but how they behave. I mean, I'm just saying the facts, right? Like, I know a lot of people, a lot of fucking horny, fucking stupid people are gonna just fall for it, even though they're gonna say, "Oh, so it's that's right. It's how you represent." But I'm thinking, I don't want to be rude, of course, but I'm not that type of person. Calling daddy. I'm just not that type of person. Maybe in the future, I don't know, but yeah, I find it kind of cringy. Is that cringy? I don't know. Maybe it's just me though. Well, the question still remains though, maniac. How did you find this though? I'm guessing you have your own ways, right? I see you, man. I see you. Damn, maniac is testing my morality. Not gonna lie, but hey, I still stand on this part where I said it's about how they represent. That's actually pretty true. That's why the word trap exists, right? So, aqueous solution is gonna have ionic compounds, salts, blah blah blah. Organic phase is gonna have neutral organic molecules. Why won't you give me some examples though? Non-polar compounds don't react much in water, so to isolate them, extract them from the organic into water using an AOH. Did we use an AOH here? Yup. So extract them from organic phase into water using an AOH. If it's acidic, acidify the aqueous extract to precipitate the neutral organic compound. It's called liquid extraction followed by precipitation. Okay. Wait. Hmm. Ads, bro. Ads. Ads. But yo, I just remembered one thing, Maniac. You know, if you think, or should I say that? I don't want to be controversial or anything, but if you think about it, on a biological standpoint, on a natural standpoint, why are we attracted to these things to replicate ourselves, right? And if we are falling, I'm not talking too much. I don't want to be controversial, but yeah, on a biological, natural standpoint, we are falling for these just so we can replicate ourselves. And if that is not gonna work, we kind of lost ourselves in the sauce, though. Or not? I don't know. I don't know. I have a lot of thoughts. Could you explain again on this and how how bro, you are a simp, bro. That's all I gotta say. And I oh whoa. So basically, yeah, I mean, we are human beings, right? Everyone comes in different faces, different shapes and faces, regardless of the gender. So again, that's a guy. Yeah, that's what I say. Different people come with different faces and stuff, faces shape, regardless the gender. Could you explain again this? What was I typing? How this NaOH is removing something that was dissolved. That's a guy with the cook. Okay. Anyway, just removing something that is dissolved. What was that? Anyway, just removing something that is dissolved in organic solution. Could you explain what was happening there and can... Bro, confused about their sexuality, they forgot what they were doing. Uh, are you talking about the guy in the video? But again, it's about the how the how the show themselves, yeah. So technically, it's not gay, bro. You are seeking validation at this point. At this point, Maniac, you are seeking validation. Come on, you already agreed with me. Yeah, I'm just saying. You know, you should not doubt yourself. How do I end this conversation? Like if I want to, how do I say? What do I say? It's kind of true about the confused part. Is it true? No, I don't think it's true about the confused part. Confused about their sexuality. Cause that's how they wanna show themselves. And there's always gonna be people who are into it. There's always gonna be people on however way you are trying to express, right? So technically it's not confused. Yeah, for me, just when you look at this from the outside, it's just biologically we are designed to replicate, right? And sometimes we forget that's the point. That's all I'm saying. But that is still debatable because this is kind of hard conversation only when there's no replication involved. If the replication thing is kind of solved, like let's say if you can make a child, hypothetical situation, okay? Let's say there are gay men, gay men, or two gay women, and we could through that procedure we could actually make a child based with these two people's genetic material. The problem is solved. But does that technology exist? Somewhat. I'm still not sure if it exists fully. But yeah, it's a lot of discussion on this matter. But hey, maniac, believe on what you want to believe. Never doubt yourself, okay? Could you explain what's happening here? And can I still consider the the thing that I can I still consider the thing that I added to separate the dissolved AQ as a polar compound. Oh, that's a good thing that you chatted on Twitch, right? So the links are not visible on YouTube. That's good. That's good. I don't want YouTube to be like, oh, this guy's doing shit. This guy's doing it. You start with an organic phase dissolved non-polar, so it dissolves neutral or non-polar organics. Some of these organics are weak acids. On their own, they don't dissolve in water because they are mostly non-polar. They don't dissolve in water because they're mostly non-polar. Okay, okay. Why add NaOH? NaOH is a strong base in water. When you mix organic phase with NaOH, organic acid, water soluble salt. So we're technically removing organic. What? Why are we doing this? Because we need the organic acid to be in the organic phase. Now, previously non-polar compound becomes an ionic salt, which is polar. Because it's polar. But do we have to do this? Is this step necessary? It moves from organic layer into the aqueous layer. Key point: you're not removing all organics, just the ones that are acidic enough to react with AOH. Uh huh huh huh. Okay. Okay. Uh huh. The aqueous layer now contains your organic compound in ionic salt form, fully dissolved in water. Then you acidify it carefully to convert the salt back to its neutral form. Wait. Then you wait. Aqueous layer now contains your organic compound in ionic salt, fully dissolved in water. Then you acidify it carefully to convert the salt back to its neutral form. This forms a solid organic compound, which can now be collected by filtration. Okay, okay. Not gonna lie, let me drink some hot water. Hot water. Whoa. Maniac, don't tell me you're searching for the next one. uh, The Twitch is actually pretty good at latency. How good is YouTube though? Okay. YouTube is also getting better. Aqueous layer now contains your organic compound in ionic salt form, fully dissolved in water. Then you acidify it carefully to convert the salt back to its neutral form. What? Aqueous layer now contains organic compound in ionic salt form, fully dissolved in water. Then you acidify it carefully, add HCl to convert the salt back to its neutral form. This forms a solid organic precipitate. Which can now be collected by filtration. Wait. So we're precipitating organic compound in the aqueous? Is that what we're doing now? Wait, I'm getting more confused. So we went from removing polar compound from the AQ to removing that was dissolved in slat salt. So the compound that is dissolved in organic is actually polar compounds that are in a form where it becomes nonpolar. Water soluble compounds, polar inorganic salt example. We isolated by precipitation example adding. What? Preparation. The total volume of the solution is noted. The precipitation is collected. Washed with small. Wait, the aqueous solutions are combined and carefully acidified. No more precipitate is formed upon addition of acid. Okay, by drop by. Okay, so we add HCl to the removed. Oh, so that aqueous solution should not be added. Okay, okay. It should not be added to the separated aqueous solution. Okay, but then we add acid to neutralize them and remove the organic from there. Interesting. So that's how we separate from the organic phase? Hmm. Looks like that's how it is. Yo, gang. I gotta say, I'm gonna go get a coffee right now. Yep. Be right back. Oh shit. I sweated like a mother. Why am I trembling? What's the temp? I have to reply to this email. Two kinds of soluble compounds: water-soluble compounds, polar inorganic salts, metals. We isolated by precipitation. So, okay. Organic compound, non-polar, weakly acidic organic, dissolves in MTBE. Normally doesn't dissolve in water but react with NaOH to form an ionic salt. This reaction removes it from organic phase to aqueous phase, then you acidify it to convert it back to the neutral organic, which precipitates so you can collect it. So, in organic phase, or on the organic phase part, we're only separating this thing? That's it? That's it? That's it? What about the rest though? So, coffee good. Coffee tastes good. Oh, come on. The fingerprint does not work now? Stupid. fuck. So from what I read, we are just removing the organic compound that dissolves in water or AQ by adding in NaOH, and the ones that won't dissolve is still gonna be in the organic solution. Come on, organic solution, or from more, or I'm guessing the rest of the stuff in the organic solution after adding NaOH is gonna be the MTBE, the salt, the solute to be added. You start with organic phase containing neutral organic compound. Some organics are acidic, can react with NaOH. Some organics are not acidic, stay separated layer. Aqueous layer now has ionic organic compounds. MTB layer still contains neutral organic compounds. Those that didn't react, acidified. Mostly solvent plus any neutral organics that didn't react. MTB can be disregarded after extraction. So you're telling me we're not fully separating the stuff in the organic layer. Okay. Don't really wanna know how you gonna go. You know what? We're gonna try a new camera angle right now. Right now. Right now. Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Blue, I thought you. Oh, fuck's sake, come on. Just fucking work. Fucking work, Mike! Stay there, Mike! What the fuck is wrong with you? Unlock. There we go. Just stay, goddammit, stay. Come on, just stay. Oh no, just stay, bro. What did I do to you, bro? Why are you changing your position like that, bro? What makes you change your position like that? There we go. Okay, now OBS, add source, video capture, yeah. My phone desk view. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. Wait. Let me change the settings. Why is it not showing up? Why is it not showing up here? Wait, what? Okay. Desk view. Yeah, I just want that. Oh shit, it's on real time. God damn it, that's cool. It's fucking cool, bro. It's fucking lit. If I do that. Oh shit, that's so cool. That is cool. Come on. Let me. Oh, but it's not visible. Can you see what I'm writing? No, that's my face, not that. No, it's too big. Oh, you could just show it. Okay. That's still gonna be here. Okay. There we go. But it's not that good, right? It's not that good. And look at my fingers. Wait. Let me try writing. Where's my pen? I'm gonna turn on the lights. Where's my pen? Oh no. Oh no, you can see my... No. There we go. So what was I writing? What was I gonna write? Section 1. Separation of ternary compounds. That's too bright though. That's too much ink leaking out the pen. And yeah. Just a minute. Oh fuck. Uh, 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 uh. Can I see inside? Nope, it's pitch black. This is one of this is one of the not so fun part about carrying a ink pen. It's always gonna fucking leak. Yeah, that's good enough. Good enough. Okay. So, separation of ternary fluid, ternary compounds. Start with the mixture. Insoluble compound. Aqueous phase. Organic phase. Uh-huh. Separated first. Average sans fan. Hey, yo. Separated first using... Check your Discord just a minute. Separated first by what? Also, what's up? Okay. Separated by first using vacuum filter. There we go. What do you mean by Discord, though? I need to show you something. Okay. I'm listening. What is this Hillary Mountain? I'm pretty organized. No way. I need if you go to the channel and click app directory, which channel? My channel? Download Carlbot. My channel? Yes, yours. Okay. Make a channel called Log. Oh, you're talking about Discord. Okay, okay. I thought it was YouTube channel. Do/log channel. You can see all the deleted messages. Oh, okay. If you go to your channel, click app directory. App directory, got it. And what was it? App directory? App directory download Carlbot. Okay. Carlbot. But what is the use case though? Send welcome and farewell messages. Send a DM upon joining. Supports. Ah, shit. So what do I do to make the log best bot in Discord? Okay, I never used the bots in Discord. Not gonna lie. Have you used this bot in Discord? Carl. Add app. Add to server. Okay. Create polls. Yeah. Wait. Okay. It's you. It's you also use that in your server. Okay. Go to crack a cord. Well, everyone welcome Carlbot. There we go. Make it private though. I use it all the time. Can I make it private? View poll profile. Store message. Portsman. Wait. Make a channel. Okay. Create channel. Call log channel. Okay. Log. Mm-hmm. You can see all the deleted message to make the log channel. Type log slash channel. Okay. Slash log channel. Okay. No, did I just type those? I'm sorry. Let me get this. Copy. What? Something came up? Mm-hmm. So what just happened right now? Logging channel set to... Oh, bro. I'll call in a bit. I'm getting a lot of calls, bro. Watch. Watch what? Bro, I'll call in a bit. The fuck is this? In a bit, dog. In a bit. In a bit. What is gonna happen? Message deleted in. So I type in log channel here and okay. Interesting. Mm-hmm. So what happened? I'm still a bit confused. Here it's gonna show now make it private so only you can see this channel, the log channel. Oh, I'm guessing the log channel. Private. Mm-hmm. So the log channel is for checking out deleted messages. Channel. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Okay. I need to look into how to run the bot. I never checked that out. Hmm. No more hiding deleted messages. Okay. In your, I just checked out your Discord server. Yeah. Dalmatians. Yo, new video coming out either today or tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. W's. Okay, I really appreciate that, Sans fan. I knew there was bots in Discord, but I never knew what were the bots or how to get the bots. So aqueous phase and organic phase are separated using separating funnel. Oh shit. Just a minute. I think someone's on the door. What's up? Okay. So, for vacuum filtration, we're gonna send the insoluble compound straight to separating funnel. Then what? Then separating. I'm just doing a rough sketch, okay? Don't worry. I'm guessing Sans fan with the bots you could. What are the main stuff you can do with the bots? You can do the intro message. Actually, like when someone leaves the jail, that's there. Y'all, should I open up a Discord for my channel? You should. You could. But you know. Yeah, I mean, a Discord channel. Opening a Discord channel is not that hard, right? You should try opening a channel. So separating the funnel. After adding it to separating funnel, did we add something? Now separate eco organic, and what are we gonna do? Add add what? Add KaCO3, Ka2CO3, no, K2CO3, and separate the PPT using, for organic, what do we do? Come on, come on. What do we do for organic? Yeah, add an AOH. Separate the compound, organic compound dissolved in aqueous and revert back by adding acid. Both are filtered. Which PPT is filtered using what is this? Vacuum filtration. And the insoluble is all PPT are put in the desiccator for drying. And after that, insoluble is gone to what? Measured using cyanometer, right? Insoluble is measured using cyanometer. The others? I still don't know how others are measured. I still don't know. How to check for organic and aqueous. Yeah, this is kinda shows the map for section 1, right? Yep. Now I have to write the whole thing, into my lab protocol. Well, that was fun. I'm gonna end the stream, okay? Because I gotta call my parents. I gotta eat something. Oh shit. Not gonna lie, sometimes I like food, sometimes I feel like I wish there was something that we can use to skip food. Not like skip, like get all the nutrients that we want. W stream. Appreciate that though. Yep. I should be back after maybe 1 or 2 hours. What was I thinking? Yeah. I wish there was something that we could just have that gives us all the nutrients, everything that we get from a food, but don't have to waste time eating. You know what I mean? Yeah, that sounds too good to be true, and kinda not sci-fi. What's the word? Not sci-fi. Oh, what's the word? Oh, I forgot the word. Damn, my memory is going down and down. Like a pill, yeah, like a pill, but I forgot the word. Supplement? No, no, no. It's like a. Ah, dude. Omnious? No, no, no. Sinister? No. Unsettling? No. Uncanny? No. No. Dystopian. I think that was the word I was going for. That kind of sounds dystopian, right? Like just a pill that just fucking gets rid of food. Well, it does not exist. Maybe it does in the future. Maybe it does. Well, I appreciate you guys for checking out the stream. I gotta say that was fun. I'm gonna end the stream and we'll be back in a bit. Peace.